I
Yeah,
saw
Punjab.
real raw Rohini that day. That's how a North Indian met a South Indian girl in Melbourne.
Cut.
Welcome. मैं हूँ युवराज
मैं हूँ रोहिणी.
और ये हमारा न्यूएस्ट मेंबर स्लोतू एंड आप सबका पिक्सल कहानियों में स्वागत है.
तो आज हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हाउ दिस नॉर्थ इंडियन बॉय मेट अ साउथ इंडियन ब्यूटी.
साउथ इंडियन ब्यूटी. ओके, इट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट, राइट? तो हाउ वी मेट, हम मिले थे लाइब्रेरी में क्योंकि वी बोथ लव रीडिंग बुक्स एंड आई लव रीडिंग बुक अ लॉट.
तेरा हो गया? No, that's not how we met. So we met on a dating app. Huh?
Oh, I don't use dating app.
Yeah.
But honestly, it's very easy to meet new people in dating app. That's the only way you can meet new people, I guess.
One of the ways.
Yeah, one of the ways. But
I think the most popular way nowadays.
yeah, so we met through Hinge and
Hinge, if you want, you can sponsor us.
yeah, it's actually a good good story, I guess. Yeah, so I was just scrolling through and I saw Yuvraj's profile and I liked his profile.
Yeah, first.
Yeah, so what? I'm not afraid to say that.
But there's a bit of a backstory about it, right?
Yes, so we do have a mutual friend and randomly he showed me your picture. I mean his your Instagram account, and then I saw some of your pictures but I don't remember anything. I just saw your pictures and then I was scrolling through Hinge.
Yeah.
And I saw some of the same pictures because
Because I don't have many pictures.
yeah. And then I was like, oh, I know this guy.
Yeah.
And I mean, I've seen this guy somewhere.
Hmm.
So I've liked your profile. That is how I liked your profile.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we were just talking, and then I think we were just talking for like a month or so.
Yeah, because
And
we were living far
attitude
away.
दिखाती थी भाई तू.
No, that's not true.
That
Because
is
we
true.
used to live far and it was very hectic for both of us.
Yes.
So we didn't actually get a chance to meet.
Hmm.
But then I moved to the same suburb where he is living, right? I mean, we are living right now. So we were in the same suburb. And then after a week, we met, I guess.
Yeah, I think the next day when you moved, because at that time you didn't had any much setup at your home, and it was like you moved in, and it was just the next day you moved in, because I remember you were still sleeping on the floor.
Yeah. What? No. After I moved in, after a week we met, right? No, the next day. Okay. Because I think we went for a coffee. Yeah, we went for a coffee first
Yeah.
day. First date was we went for a coffee to one of a beautiful cafe next to our house. We
Yeah.
still go there a lot.
We love to go there. Yeah, it's our go-to place.
Yes. And we went for coffee and Yuvraj came and he got me some chocolates as well, so which was very cute.
Yeah.
It's 10 on 10. I mean, every guy should get something on
Yes.
the first date. I mean, guy or girl, but guys should get it. And then what happened?
Then it was raining, and then because we wanted to go for a walk.
Yeah,
but then
we
it was
planned
raining,
something, but yeah, it didn't happen.
And then we went and had a pizza.
Yeah, we were talking for we were. I mean, we met in the morning and we were talking till around 4ish, and then we went for a pizza. Then I went home, you went home, and then we met next day. What did we do next day?
Yeah, and then the next day I planned like a nice fun date for us. Because first date was a bit spontaneous, and then the next date was like because we actually liked each other a bit. And then I planned to go for a bit of a golf in the morning.
Yeah, you planned the whole day. We
yeah,
went for golf and then
to the driving range, and then I took you to a basketball game as well.
yeah, he got the ball and everything because
Yeah.
I love basketball and I love playing basketball, and then we played and then he made me win. That's what he says, but I know I'm good at
Oh,
it.
you won.
I won. And then what happened? Then okay, then we went to Sarona Bhavan.
Yes.
That was the same day, right?
Yes, it was the same
And
day.
that was my first time going to Sarona Bhavan after coming to Melbourne.
Yeah.
And I was so happy.
Yeah, because I remembered you were telling me that you haven't been to any nice South
South
Indian
Indian
restaurant.
place.
Like you haven't had much good South Indian food for a while. So I was like,
Yeah.
there's the opportunity.
I just went to Taste of Chennai, which was next to my university, but I've never been to Saranavan, and it's one of my favorite restaurant even back home.
Yeah.
So I felt so good, and when you go, it feels like home
Oh, yeah,
also.
yeah,
The
yeah.
restaurant, kind
The
of
vibes, yeah.
the vibes. I was having a best time. Yeah, that was a cute
Yeah.
day. And then we also went for chai
Yes.
because I like chai. And then we went to a different place that was also very cute, desi
So,
aesthetics.
On side note, all the boys who are watching, make sure when you're on your first date, you do listen to what the girl is saying.
Yeah, you really make efforts on dates. So Yuvraj is more romantic, and he plans a lot of dates.
Yeah. But yeah, that was our second date, and then we kept meeting each other every now and then because we lived very close to each
Yeah,
other.
we used to go for a lot of walk, and we used to play basketball.
Yeah. Yeah.
We used to go for golf and all of that.
But that was fun. Yeah.
Yeah, we still do. We
Yeah,
still
we
go
still
there.
go for
We
all
do
that,
still
yeah.
do that a lot.
But yeah, that's how it all started, and that's how a North Indian met a South Indian girl in Melbourne.
Okay, let's. Okay, what is the first thing do you notice in a girl when you go on a date? I mean, before me.
Yeah, I mean, usually I notice their appearance, and I especially like to compare how much they are looking like their profile pictures that they have put
Oh,
on
yeah.
their dating apps.
How much do they look real?
Yeah, like how much they were like real in the pictures, and that's I think the one thing which I noticed with you was because you just shifted in your new apartment that time.
Yeah.
You were not doing. You did not.
I
you
didn't
didn't
put
do
any
any
effort.
makeup. Yeah, you didn't do any makeup. You didn't like come in like well dressed, and you were.
I came in a track pants and
I saw
pajama.
real raw Rohini that day.
Because honestly, I just moved in as you said, and I didn't have much stuff. Also, everything was packed. And I was too exhausted because my packing, I mean, the way I moved, I packed my stuff and I moved. It was very hectic. And
I remember you had a very big jhola in which you had like all your clothes in.
for real, yeah. Like me and my friend, we carried all this stuff and we were struggling
In a cab.
in a cab. And because we thought that we didn't have much stuff, but ended up we having a lot of stuff. But never mind, we are deviating from the story. But
Yeah, there was a big part of it of you moving into that home. I think we both used to go for like furniture shopping.
we
and,
we
like,
did a lot of furniture shopping, and Yuvraj, because Yuvraj likes to set up house and he's more of that guy.
Yeah.
So he likes to do
I
everything.
like to make IKEA furniture. So guys, if you have any IKEA furniture that you need to make, just give me a call, man.
Call this guy.
I'll do it for free.
Yeah, he loves that.
It's so fun to make these IKEA
It's like a
things,
Lego.
bro. Yeah. A Lego for adults.
I mean, you take Lego. I mean, you also buy Legos and you also
Yeah.
buy IKEA furniture.
Yeah, it's a nice puzzle. But yeah.
Yeah. So
This
you
one.
noticed because I think you have many experience where the person looked really different from their pictures.
Yeah, sometimes. We better not talk about it.
Okay.
But what about you? What do you notice the first thing when you go out on a date with someone? You used to go out on a date with someone.
Yeah, I think I definitely notice the voice. It's very important for me. And also the teeth. Is it weird? I don't know. I just.
Some weird fetish of yours.
No, it's not. Come on. It's just oral hygiene, basic.
Yeah, oral hygiene should be good. I agree. What if you want to kiss someone after the date,
No, it's not about kissing. It's just that you notice, if you have a clean, straight teeth. It's not that I have a perfect. I don't know.
Your teeth are not straight, bro.
No, mine are straight. You can't say that. No, you can't do all that. Cut.
But yeah, so that brings us to Rohini.
Okay, I have one more question. Wait. What are the other gifts you have taken to dates in general? Like, you have taken chocolates, yeah. And?
So it's very much like whenever I used to talk to someone, I used to find out what they like. And then I used to take something for them based on what they liked.
Ooh. So, what else are we talking?
So Rohini, what's your kahani of the week?
Do you want to say what is kahani?
Of
What
the
is
week.
yeah? What does that mean?
So kahani of the week means what is the highlight of your week, or it's just like basically what you saw somewhere, maybe you experienced something.
Something
Any
that happened good, made your day or something like
yeah,
that.
it could be bad as well. Kahani could be good or bad.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I'm just gonna talk about good things. Never mind. No, I'm just joking. So I think what was my kahani of the week? It was pretty same. Okay, okay. I saw an interesting reel. So the reel was about like you can start assuming that from Friday your weekend starts because Friday is such a happy day. Even if it's in the morning, you have to go to work, you have to follow the routine and everything. But still, it's such a relaxed day. Fridays. I don't think anybody hates Friday.
Everyone loves Friday, I think.
Yeah.
Friday is the polar opposite of Monday.
I know, right? And so basically, Friday morning also, you can start preparing your mind as if it's a weekend and you can be relaxed. You still have to do your work. I'm not saying that, but I found that reel very interesting because then you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You have 3 days, and you're just going to work for 4 days. But even though Friday is very hectic for me at work, but still, what do you think?
Yeah, I think I really agree with you because it's just about a mindset. Because if you set your mind like if I wanna, I think I will wake up on Friday and I'll think it's already a weekend, then you can
Be in a good mood.
yeah, and then your week is only 4 days long, and then you have 3 days of weekend.
Everything is a mindset.
Yeah, it's
You
just
just
about a mindset. You just
every-
have to train your mind, bro.
Yeah, you have to train your mind and you should find something. So I've always like if I get a good coffee in the morning, I feel like my day is gonna be good.
Yeah,
So I make sure that I get a good coffee
yeah.
and I want to believe that it's going to be a good day.
Mm.
It has actually been helping me.
Yeah. So yeah,
And
I think with that I will.
wait, what was your highlight of the week? Come on.
So my kahani of the week was I learned this software at work and then used it to animate something, and it was fun. Yeah.
Oh,
And
you
that's
like
it.
learning new software.
Yes, I do.
Oh, the
yeah.
one you showed me, the
Yes.
presentation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really cool. That was really cool. I should also learn that. I
Yeah.
mean, it's a very cool way to do the presentations, the animation, and all of that.
So yeah, that was fun. But yeah, I think with that we'll end this episode, Rohini.
Yeah.
If
Please
you will-
subscribe to our channel, guys.
Yes, please do subscribe, like, and share, and we will see you in our next episode. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.